Now at 5:30, a big immigration ruling from the highest court here in Massachusetts. Good evening, I'm Paula Ebbett.
And I'm Liam Martin. The Supreme Judicial Court says state or local police cannot detain illegal immigrants just because the federal government asked them to. WBZ's Tiffany Chan is here with a closer look at the impact of this decision. Tiffany?
In this blockbuster decision, the highest court in Massachusetts ruled that state and local police officers cannot detain people they suspect are in this country illegally without a warrant. Chelsea Police Chief Brian Kai says after years of uncertainty, this ruling is clear. Local police departments cannot enforce federal immigration laws.
If ICE has an actionable interest in the person, and they really want to take the person into federal custody, basically they're just going to have to get to the police stations as quickly as possible to take custody of the individual. But it takes the onus off the police.
The case focuses on Saray Noon Lun, a Cambodian immigrant who was arrested for unarmed robbery. The charges were later dropped, but a judge ordered that Lun remain in custody because Federal Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, issued a detainer request on him. The Supreme Judicial Court ruled Monday that it's illegal for local law enforcement officers to detain a suspected illegal immigrant unless they're facing criminal charges.
An ICE detainer is just a request to hold a person. It's not evidence of a crime. It's not at all legally sufficient to deprive a person of their liberty.
But not everyone supports the ruling.
What we want to do is have our federal, local authorities work together.
Republican State Representative Jim Lyons of Andover has public safety concerns. He plans to file legislation that would require local police departments to comply with federal immigration laws with or without a warrant.
My main concern is exactly that, public safety. If there are federal laws that are out there that are being broken, we ought to be able to use the authority in Massachusetts to protect the public.
So far, Representative Lyons' bill has 3 co-sponsors, including Bristol County Sheriff Thomas Hodgson. Paula?